Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 13x, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select apps, then go to manage apps and choose the app, go through all of them, but start with those that you use most frequently. Let me choose, for example, the browser, go to storage, now mark clear data and select clear cache. Tap on OK, and that's it. And just go app by app to do it. Yep, just clear cache, and then your device will be definitely work a bit faster. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.